birthday, Mommy Yums. Happy birthday, Mommy Yums. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy Yums. Yeah.
Yung gusto muna namin batiin ng isang happy birthday si Yams. Ayan, Maring Yams, shout out.
Happy birthday!
Maingay si Haw.
Yams, happy birthday!
Yams, si Paring Rams yan. Shout out, shout out.
Yun guys, panibagong araw at panibagong video natin ngayon guys, no? So, yun guys, meron lang tayong babatiin guys ng happy birthday na si Manager Yams, na girlfriend ni Tolo Rams, sa Team Kasangga Foundation. Ayun, happy birthday sa'yo, Yams, at more birthday to come. At sana, ayan, tuloy-tuloy pa kayo ni Tolo Rams. Hanggang sa kwan. Until you. Ayan, at ito na masasabi ko sa iyo, Yams. Happy birthday sa iyo at more birthday to come. Ayan, at hanggang dito na lang yung ating video. So nakasanglas dahil sa mainit, masilaw ba? Yan, so hanggang dito na lang. Bye-bye.
Yeah, what's up everyone? Ang sunang bukana. Ayan, babati ko lang ng happy birthday Ate Yams. Enjoy your day, stay pretty, stay healthy, and syempre mag-iingat palagi sa work mo. God bless always. Thank you at nakilala kita dito sa YouTube. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.